Hello guys, today I want to quickly demonstrate you a package, pretty new package called Laravel Translations UI, a dashboard to manage your translations. So your translations are in the files of Laravel, resources lang, or just lang folder. That package would import those into the database, into its database tables. Then you can edit those with the dashboard and then import back into the lang files of your Laravel project. So in this video, how it works, it's easy to install, and let's take a look. So I have installed a new fresh Laravel project and installed the package according to the instructions. So compose require, translation install artisan command, migrate the data schema, which I will show you in a minute, and then important thing, translations import. So where does it import from? From the default lang folder of Laravel. So for example, lang folder, which used to be in Laravel 8 resources lang, now both can work. You can put the translations in resources lang or just in lang folder. And then, for example, validation PHP contains keys and values for the validation errors, which you can, by the way, easily customize here manually if you wish to. But then translation import imports that into the database, into its tables, which are these. So we start from the languages, a lot of languages here, including English, which is taken from this folder lang en. So the package detects which language folders are available, so imports those. So we have English, then we have translation of language ID of that English. Then we have translation files, which are those PHP files, and then each phrase, each key value pair is a phrase with foreign key to the translation ID and to translation file ID. So here are our values imported. And then the result of installing that package is actually the dashboard for you to translate things. This is how it looks. So you load /translations in your browser. You may protect that with some middleware if you wish. And then what do we have here? We can click English. And then, as you can see, the URLs are phrases 1, which means translation 1. And all of those are available here with pagination. And you can click on any of those and edit. For example, you can add ... here, save changes. You are redirected back here, and the value is changed in the database, which will not be automatically published to your Laravel project. If you do want to publish back to the files, back to the lang folder, then you need to click publish. And then the reverse is happening from database to, if we open this, file is now updated with the latest change. There are more options here. So if we go back to the homepage, you can add a new language. You can search for languages, or if you click English, you can add a new source key, which would open the model window. So for example, first name would be first name. As a translation, select a file. For example, I will add that to auth.php, add a key. It is added to the database. So let's open the auth.php. It doesn't contain my new key, but if I hit publish again, as you can see, it is refreshed. So this is the package that you may want to use for translation management. It's pretty convenient to use, I would say. And of course, you can go to the package GitHub, add some issues, discuss something with the author, or share that package on your social media for it to get more GitHub stars. I think it deserves more than 76 because it's quite a good job done by Mohammed Ashraf. So thank you, Mohammed, for this free package. And if you want more free packages, I have a pretty big list on Laravel Daily.com. If you go to resources, we have packages here. At the moment, it's 161. Maybe by the time this video is published, there will be more. They are grouped by topics, ordered by GitHub stars. So the best of the best ones. You can browse around and subscribe to the membership to support my mission of educating people about Laravel. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.